Welcome back to the channel. Here Ajmal sir. So today we are going to start up a new chapter, the modern age of Europe. The first, in the modern age in Europe, there were three major parts are there. The first one, Renaissance, second, Reformation, and third, Industrial Revolution. Today, or this chapter, we will discuss about Renaissance. What is Renaissance and the definitions and what are the major important points we will discuss. What are the major effects by the Renaissance, just like found new sea routes, invention of printing press are the major parts. The modern age in Europe, Renaissance. Renaissance, we can simply give the meaning rebirth or revival. It's a traditional movement in Europe, began in 14th century, lasted till 17th century. It's a transitional movement. What the Renaissance is, the transitional movement started from 14th century and lasted 17th century. It is a revival of freedom to think and act without being controlled by external agency. So, in the age of modern in Europe, the people used to think with their brain, not by their lawyers or not by their people. The people used to think with their brain. Okay, they used to talk to each other. They have the freedom to think, freedom to act without being controlled by any people, anyone. Okay, before it was not there in Europe. So that's second point or the second impact after coming of Renaissance. And the third point, it was revival of study of ancient Greek and Roman classics. It was revival. It brought the Renaissance brought to study of ancient Greek and Roman classics. So, after coming of Renaissance, after rebirth of Europe, it brought up the people to study the ancient Greek. Also, the Renaissance had great impact on the history of the world. Also, the Renaissance in the modern age of Europe brought up more impact in the history of the world. The first cause got to they brought up the modern age in Europe, brought up new trade routes. They found new trade routes. The fall of Constantinople to the Turks in 1453 closed the land trade routes between the west and east. To re-establish the trade, the Europeans tried to discover sea routes to the east. Prince Henry, the navigator, initiated and encouraged the new discoveries. Bartholomew Diaz, sea route to Africa. Cape of Good Hope, Columbus, sea route to America, 1492. Vasco da Gama, sea route to India, 1498. Ferdinand Magellan voyage around the world, Pacific Ocean. Contact was re-established, new lands were discovered, there was fusion of new ideas. It also created the spirit of adventure and broadened mental horizon. So after coming of new form or renaissance in the modern age in Europe, there brought new trade routes. Okay, so it brought up new adventure spirit to the people. Okay, so and broadened mental horizon to the people. They re-established new lands were discovered by the people, new thoughts were discovered, the people's mind and spirit of adventure has broadened. Okay, those are the major important impact and events and backgrounds that brought in the level of new trade routes. In the event, we can understand that Bartholomew of Diaz, he found the sea route Africa, copy of Good Hope, and Columbus found sea route America in 1492. Vasco da Gama found sea route to India 1498, and Ferdinand Magellan voyage traveled around the world in Pacific Ocean. Those are the major important new trade routes founded by the people and also brought up the spirit of adventure. Okay, those are the events found by the people or at the time of renaissance or the modern age in Europe. Okay, so the impact also we have discussed, the events also we have discussed about the new trade routes in the Renaissance or the modern age in Europe. Next, the second point or subtopic of Renaissance we will learn. Its invention of the printing press. Before the printing press, books were handwritten. Books, especially holy books, were beyond the reach of the people. So, before coming of printing press, it was very difficult to the people to read the holy books. So, the holy books were beyond the reach of the people. It was very bad to the people even to read the holy books. So, after coming of the printing press, only the ordinary people can read properly. So, the coming of printing press also brought up a new invention or new change in the modern Europe. In 15th century, Gutenberg invented printing press in Germany. Later, Caxton introduced it in England. It produced book in large numbers and knowledge became affordable. Bible and many classical books were printed. So it shows that in 15th century Gutenberg invented the printing press. Till there were no any printers. So at that time only the printing press brought up and introduced to the people. The printing press and distribution of books influenced people's attitude to life and brought about new ideas. So that's only for today. I hope you have understood. We have discussed about the new trade routes and the printing press. Invention of printing press are the two major important points of Renaissance in the modern Europe.